Hello lovely people, welcome to Akuse's tasty recipe. I hope you are all doing well. So for today I will be sharing with you how to make cauliflower fried rice. If you are on a diet, then this recipe is for you. Okay, so stay tuned and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cut the stem leaves of the cauliflower and then wash it twice with salt. Please make sure to wash it properly. So the next thing is to cut the florid part of the cauliflower and then take out the stem. So once I'm done cutting, I'll go ahead and make the cauliflower rice. So you can use the grater to grate it, or you can put it in your food processor or even the food grinder, which is fine. You will have the same result. So I'll show you the two, that's using the grater and then the food grinder. So this is the outcome when you use the food grinder. So it's perfectly the same. So now it's ready to be used. So I'll go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and then add 2 eggs and then scramble it. Once it's ready, go ahead and put it in a bowl and set it aside. So in the same pan, I'll add 100 grams of ground beef. Please do not add oil because ground beef has a lot of oil. You can also use any protein of your choice. Go ahead and add your spices. So I'm using cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic powder, black pepper and salt. Then stir everything together and then allow it to cook until it's done. It doesn't take time, so once it's done, put it in a bowl and set it aside. So the next thing is to stir fry the vegetables. So in a pan I added 30 grams of unsalted butter and then I'll add red onions and then frozen vegetables. You can also use white onions, which is fine. So stir fry for a few seconds and then add the cauliflower rice. It's the same method like doing normal fried rice, just that you're using cauliflower rice. Okay, so once it goes in, give it a good mix and add any spices of your choice, but I'm going to add all-purpose spice, lemon pepper, ginger powder and then oyster sauce. You can replace oyster sauce with coconut aminos or even soy sauce, it's fine. So once all the spices goes inside, give it a really good mix and then go ahead and add the protein, that's the ground beef and then the scrambled eggs we made earlier. So once all the protein goes inside, go ahead and give it a really good mix so that everything will be well incorporated, and then top up with some scallions to improve the flavor of your fried rice. Mix and then serve. This is very delicious and healthy, very high in protein and low in carbs. You wouldn't want to miss this in your diet. It's a great way to enjoy your diet, especially if you're on a low carb and you miss eating rice. This is a great option for you. You will lose weight, but you will still enjoy the weight loss program that you're doing. So don't forget to include this delicious recipe in your diet and I know you will love it. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload, you will be the first to watch. Alright, stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. God bless you all. Bye.